Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the new data match the pivot source. Convert the incoming range to a table so it expands automatically, and make sure column names and types align. Once done, save the workbook with the table and the pivot file, and note the file path if external. This prevents mismatched fields. Now, locate the existing pivot and select any cell inside it so you can update the data connection directly. You are ready to move to the next step. You change the pivot's data source to point at the table or updated range. From Pivot Table, choose Change Data Source and pick the table name or updated workbook range. If the pivot uses a connection, edit connection properties and update the command or range. Once changed, click Refresh or refresh also the pivot recalculates. Make sure background refresh is off if you need instant feedback, because otherwise results may lag, while Excel continues processing. You finish by verifying the pivot layout and values. Inspect the field list. If fields are missing, confirm header names match and re-add them. If stale values persist, clear the pivot cache via Pivot Table Options Data Clear and then refresh again. Save the workbook, then test by appending a sample row to the table and refreshing to confirm live updates. If things still go wrong, double-check that the table name or external connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.